ShareMe, previously known as MiDrop, can transfer and share all kinds of files quickly between devices anytime, anywhere you want. You can share images, videos, music and all kinds of files to your friends in a few seconds. Also, you will be able to share files without the internet, and surprisingly it is ad free. Definitely something unexpected from Xiaomi. ShareMe does provide the best service according to me. The transfer speed is faster than Bluetooth, and overall it is one of the best free file sharing apps that I ever used. Geogram is a writing app on photo. You can add captions on a photo. For example, a quote on love, happiness or whatever you feel like. This app provides beautiful photos that match with your writing. There are over 60 fonts to choose from and add on your photos. These fonts are absolutely free to use, and you can also add your own signature. It is a beautiful application for those who post motivational or even love quotes on Instagram and Facebook pages. I even use this application for my WhatsApp stories. Next is battery meter overlay. If you have a phone without a notch like the OnePlus 7 Pro, this app will always show the battery percentage at the top of the screen. Personally, I don't like it on my Realme 3 Pro because it looks like a double notch, which is really weird. But it looks pretty good on my old Samsung Galaxy J7 Next that doesn't have a notch. With the battery meter overlay, you can see your battery percentage easily while playing full screen games and watching full screen videos. Mix or MIX is a powerful yet easy to use image editor that can enhance your photos in a second. It offers a heap of high quality filters that you can add on your photo. Mix also has these kinds of professional tools which you will find in Adobe Lightroom Mobile, like the curve, HSL, split toning and etc. The app is super easy to use and it is jam-packed with photo effects, filters, tools and a ton more. I started using this Android application to edit photos for my Instagram handle, which is brosmart YouTube, and YouTube thumbnails. Also, if you are enjoying this video, then smash the like button and also subscribe to brosmart and ring the bell beside that to get my video notifications. That would be a massive help. Anyways, coming back to the video, Magenta Widgets for KWGT is one of my favorite KWGT application when it comes to Android home screen customization. The widgets are beautifully designed. The widgets consist of gradient colors and bold fonts. This is a free widget to use and it looks dope on any home screen setup. You just need a KWGT Pro key. The RGB colors, the neon style design makes this widget stand out. It looks best with dark AMOLED wallpapers, and you should definitely use the Magenta KWGT for your home screen setup. Moving on to Minma icon pack. This icon pack looks perfect with the Magenta KWGT. A perfect match, to be honest. The design is simple, just stroke styled minimal icons with a touch of roundness, which is very similar to Android Pie. Albeit the icons are less, but man, the rest of the icons are beautifully designed. These icons are beautiful, and once you find the right wallpaper, your setup will look amazing. One of the best icon packs I have ever used, and from now I'm using the Minma icon pack. Abstract is the official wallpaper app made by the award-winning OnePlus wallpaper artist Hampus Olsson. You will get over 300 exclusive wallpapers only available through the app. All these wallpapers are available in 4K and 1080p. The app design is simple and packs with features like saving your wallpapers in one place and wallpaper categories. The wallpapers look amazing, especially on the OLED screens and full HD display. So there are free and paid ones. If you are thinking of purchasing the paid one, you should, because those wallpapers are amazing. And still, if you are sticking with the free ones, don't worry, the free ones are absolutely amazing. And just look at this wallpaper, isn't it great? This is actually free. Pros and Cons is a free crucial Android app that helps you to make right decisions in your life. You will get these two columns. Add your question, attach the pro and con arguments to it. Choose importance for each and let the application calculate the most correct solution for you. For example, if you're going to purchase a smartphone, then write down why you need it, do you need it right now, or whether you can afford it or not. It's a really helpful app, and if you're stuck in making decisions, then definitely use this application. Next is Boosted. With the Boosted Time and Productivity Tracker app, you can organize your activities, track the time you spend on them, and get insights about how you use your time. It is completely free to use, and also a cool thing is that you get the dark mode. Since I work at home, this app helped me track my work hours and I have managed to work faster by following the statistics. The last but not the least is Apollo Launcher. It is a clean, nice and customizable launcher for Android smartphones. The user interface is clean, colorful and easy to use. There are a lot of features that I cannot talk about in this video because if I talk about those features, this video will be a long one. So yeah, for that you should definitely download the launcher and give it a try. The launcher has its own customized icons which look great. You can change the color of the interface, switch it to dark mode and also customize each and every icon. I use the Minma icon pack and the Magenta KWGT wallpaper with the Apollo launcher and man, truly it looks breathtaking. So that was my video guys. If you enjoyed watching this video, then smash the like button and also subscribe to brosmart for more interesting videos just like this one. Till then, thank you so much for watching. This is brosmart and I will see you guys in my next video.